Well, you may have heard that it rained cats and dogs in Miami last week. Well, I know where those cats and dogs landed. Come join us on this quick tour through Miami and the dog and cat sculpture garden. Enjoy! Hello from Miami. We're right here by the Science Center, and I'll get the name of this fancy building behind us. Pretty cool looking. My brother Russell just dropped us off in the dog park. And I was a little curious. He said, we'll drop you off in the dog park. I don't have a dog. He said, it's a dog and cat park, which is also a strange concept. Until you see this. Let me turn the camera around. And there you go. There's the dog and cats being unnatural. So it's an art exhibit, and there's a lot more behind you that we're going to go see. But here's the Labrador. And an iguana. Okay, the dog is fake. Those lizards are real. All right, let's on to the next one. All right, walking around the corner. Let's see some more. Let's walk faster. These are pretty nice. That's awesome. A Great Dane. So call out to Carmen. Carmen, you'd love this down here. Except it's really hot. There's a Miami cat. Kitty kitty. This might be my favorite so far. Isn't that an English water dog or something? Oh, a bulldog. Shake, shake. That's awesome. Atomium. This is a Weimaraner from Germany. His name is Elvis. That's actually pretty cool. A Schnauzer.
You should take a picture of this one and send it to Magoo.
Send this one to Magoo. Send him to Miami.
Well, he has to tell.
Okay, here's a Rottweiler from Germany. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. That's a nice looking one. All right, here's a little kitty kitty. I don't see any label for this one. Okay, it's a Burmese cat. Hunter Lara is the name of the artist. And here's a San Juan street cat from San Juan de Puerto Rico, Alexander Martinez. Here we have a Yorkshire Terrier. And 3 guesses? I think that's a French poodle. And oh, there's this guy. He's a boxer, an awfully tall boxer. Oh, no, that's not a French poodle, that's a German poodle. And a street cat. A mini poodle. It's not too mini. A Chihuahua. Do you quiero Taco Bell? ¿Quieres Taco Bell? All right. This looks like one of my cats, except for the seahorse. A Flagami pack. So Flagler and Miami would be Flagami. Oh, look at the fish for the ears. That's awesome. Oh, that's good. I like this one.
Oh, this is Dante and Lincoln's dog. The picture?
That's a Great Dane. And 2 crows. That's attempted murder. See? Attempted murder on the... Yes, 2 crows. Rafael Caravagno. Great Dane. Another boxer. Another kitty cat. Little Haiti street cat. C'est bon le chat de Haiti. Another boxer. Rottweiler, rather. Sorry, I apologize. No offense. The flamingo. A French bulldog. This is a French bulldog. The Persian cat. That's a great one. All right, here's another cat. Cubism, maybe? Singapura. And a poodle, the Mariposa poodle. Oh, there's Issa Jelly. I used to have a calico cat. She passed in 2020 after being 20 years old. Liberty City street cat. Ooh, I like the blue feet. This is Grumpy Cat. British Blue. Another Basset. Wow, must be the Baskervilles. East European Shepherd. Little kitty. Brazilian Shorthair. And this is a golden retriever with the golden feet. Quite nice. Another bulldog. Little kitty. The Manx. Is the Doberman from Germany? Yes. Even painted like this, they're quite scary, eh? Oh, he's not too scary. Although that size. This is another retriever. Let me guess. Yep, a golden retriever. This one's running a Dalmatian. This one, yeah, okay, there's spots on there, but they look like eyeballs. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Wow. Oh, by the way, there's the Science Center. No, the Art Center, the Ferré Art Center. And speaking of art, here's another cat. A nice black and white treatment. There we go. Kitty, 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 kitty. Right. Going to have to find some cat music for this section. Oh, they got the hummingbirds.